Are you buying a new Android phone, but worried about losing your contacts, photos, and apps? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer all your data from your old Android to your new phone. Fast, safe, and 100% working. First, on your old phone, go to Settings arrow Google arrow Backup. Turn on Backup by Google One. This saves your contacts, messages, photos, and even app data. Now turn on your new phone. During setup, connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with the same Google account, and choose Restore from Backup. Your contacts, apps, and photos will start moving automatically. For faster transfer, you can use a USB cable or apps like Samsung Smart Switch or Phone Clone. Just connect both phones and follow the steps on screen. That's it. Your new phone is ready with all your old data, contacts, apps, photos, and settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips.